Hey everyone, so let's go ahead and create some sample data in our Jira project so we can go ahead and learn different features within Jira. So to create the sample data, the obvious choice that comes to mind is that we can go ahead and create a new project and then there would be some option to create the data. But within Jira, if you have to create the sample data, you have to go through the board. So if you click on this search bar here and then navigate to the board, so you see at the bottom boards, go to all boards, click on boards, and then from here we have to create a new board. So if I click on create new board, you will see you have the option to create a Scrum or Kanban board, either simply board without any sample data, or below you will see create a Scrum board with sample data, or create a Kanban board with sample data. So I'll go ahead and choose Scrum for initial section of this course, and I'll say create a Scrum board with sample data. It will come up with the project name, which is sample Scrum project. The key is chosen automatically. You can go ahead and change this key. This is the project short key. So whatever the first initials of your project are, it automatically takes that. I can, if say for example I'll say RCV sample Scrum project, then I can go ahead and say RSSP, something like that. Okay, so most of the time, whatever the first initials of your project are, it automatically takes that key, and this is the unique identifier for the project. So whenever the new issue will be created, it will be starting like SSP1, SSP2, SSP-3, something like that, right? So let's keep it as is, and project lead, I'll leave it as default, and then click on create board. Once you will start creating the board will be created with the sample data within it. So we don't have to worry about where exactly the story is, where the tasks are. So all the sample data will be populated, and then we can get started from here. And now once the backlog has been created or the sample data has been created, in the backlog you will see all of different types of the data. Some of the defects are there, the tasks, stories, everything is populated within this defect, and it has also provided us different sprints. So sample sprint 2, the backlog, all of that is now pre-populated. So let's go ahead and start understanding different Jira features from the next tutorial. Thank you. See you in the next one.